Septic systems have been a main part of our revenue for our business since we opened in 1968, and it still continues to be that to this day. Before the video starts, I want to remind everybody to subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, it's free to subscribe. I'll never charge you a cent. We're allowed to do this job because the permits were pulled before April 4th, and I generally wouldn't go out and want to start new construction right now, but you guys will see, but this system needs to be replaced, and it's a thing of raw sewage getting in places. And Corey's back today. Corey, say hi.
What's up?
Corey's YouTube channel's been killing it. He's at 140 now or something? 140 subscribers. Essentially what we're doing is the old tank, those two green lids that you can see, show you guys when we get close. I'm gonna expose the top, and then we're gonna determine whether we're gonna abandon it and leave it or load it out. But that's the first thing we're doing here, is exposing the old existing tank and starting with that. We just dug a hole, and why we're doing this is sometimes whenever we go to jobs, they throw little curveballs at us. This curveball is this whole new system being replaced is determined on the elevation of the outlet from the house to the inlet of the tank. And the engineer that did the designs for us actually said that they said that it was a foot higher than what it actually is. So now we need to look at, do we lower the bed? And that's why we just dug this hole. What we're running into is the water table, and we need 90 centimeters for the water table.
45 below the sand.
We really don't have our depth because of the water table. So what we might need to do is run, put a pump chamber in and have a pump system. But we're on the phones with the engineers and everything, trying to figure it all out. But that's what we're doing. So after calling the engineers, we actually found out that we were able to just lower the bed a foot within coming contact to the water table. Everything was good on that end of it. So we're just digging the hole here for the actual tank, and then we drop it in and hook it up. Also, Brad and Corey are now certified.
Yes, I passed my test.
They are full-blown licensed septic installers. So if they wanted to, you know, leave and start their own practice, they totally could.
We were just talking about that. Give you a loan?
You know, no, I don't do loans. What I'm standing talking to you guys on right now is what I have left. So tomorrow we're gonna have 2 trucks. I wasn't happy with the call. I think Dad assumed that maybe it would be a shorter drive, but me and Corey both agreed that having 2 trucks on this would definitely save a lot of sitting around time. Yeah, hopefully laying some units tomorrow, and then inspections booked for 9 a.m. Wednesday. We're aiming for that, but we'll judge that as we get closer. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Told you guys we'd be back. Today's Tuesday. We're starting the day off with expecting actually some snowstorms today. Corey, what's something positive? Morning. What's something positive that you can share with everybody today?
Something positive that we can share with everybody today. Well,
I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing on this.
I'm thinking. I'm on the spot.
What do you mean? I'm just holding a camera with a mic in your face. I'm not putting you on the spot.
Here's a positive. We all got through 420. Okay, cut that out.
Oh, we can probably leave that in. I mean, we're not condoning anything, and it's legal in Canada. All right, the snow picked up even more. It's just snowing like crazy here now. Got the shovel here. So what I'm bringing in here now, this is the Elgin sand. It's basically just concrete sand, but it's spec'd so that we can actually install the Elgin units themselves in the bed area. And then basically from here, we're gonna watch the entire system get made and built by Corey. I'm running the shovel still, of course. And then we're gonna switch gears up to probably my most favorite part of this video, which is making some beautiful black gold, baby.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rivet apart. We're letting go, rivet apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rivet apart. We're letting go, rivet apart.
You probably just watched a massive time lapse that looked like we went through 4 seasons of weather. We just wrapped up installing this system here. 3 runs of 7 units each. Corey's rocking the old Milwaukee hacksaw. That tool's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I can't wait to get more. As long as you keep it out of the sand.
Yeah. Just because the septic office that comes for inspections for us, they're backed up with shit right now. The septic office that does the inspections for this, they're pretty busy with everything right now. They're supposed to come tomorrow. As we're ready for inspection now, this is how we have to leave it before we go any further. Has to be inspected. So we're gonna leave everything exposed, head out. Hopefully we can get an inspection somewhat tomorrow. So let's head back to the yard. I think Al's gonna be there. Jesse's gonna take a load back. And Corey's got to drop off the trailer, so we'll catch you at the yard. All right, today's Wednesday. Like I said at the end of the day yesterday, we're still waiting on inspection on that, which gave us an awesome opportunity on a sunny day like today. Fire up and get everything ready for topsoil. So I'm super freaking happy about this. First thing was first, I needed this wire, this big chain, because what we got to do is take the screener where it's sitting, we're gonna move it back, build a level pad underneath it. We've never done that. That's something new we're doing this year. Build a pad underneath it so that it's nice and level, and then put the screener back on top. That was close. stuff underneath my bucket right here is good shit, but this stuff that I'm pulling out here, I'm gonna dump up here and you can smooth it out. Back to work! Today's been insane, and I have to apologize for my lack of really kind of worrying about the camera. It's kind of gone. I mean, obviously I'm filming right now, but I'm not filming as much as I would like to because we just heard that half loads are going to be coming off early this year, which means people are going to want topsoil soon. But I'm only allowed selling to essential businesses that are doing essential jobs, which is fine for me because my topsoil business is B2B anyways. I don't sell to customers as far as homeowners and stuff. So what I'm doing now, I'm casting up on top here. We're creating a berm for noise and just so the neighbors don't have to look at us and hear our shit going on. So Dad's in the dozer right now, and Al's in the loader. He's pushing some slop up to me, and we're just kind of sorting through the good and the bad, and we're just kind of getting through it. And it's a beautiful sunny day. It's a little cold, but we're not complaining. Maybe even screen some soil tomorrow. I know that seems like a stretch, but we're gonna see what happens here shortly. Good morning. We skipped a day and today's Friday. Today is the biggest day of the year for myself as well as the aggregate division on KWC. We're firing up the operation and I could not be more happy about this. Today is going to be a great day. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be yidge. It's going to be great. You need a boost? Yeah! Woo!
You're done. I saved the day. I saved the day.
I gotta stop with these abrupt changes because you guys are wondering, now it looks like I'm in the middle of summer, or it looks like I'm sitting on the beach in Hawaii with this shirt on.
Yeah, we did. Look at that pile of dirt.
I'm standing in front of 350 cube yard of the best soil in the city of Ottawa. This week has just been pure madness, honestly. It's just been a mad rush to get this to where it is. It's currently Saturday right now, the day that this video is being released. I actually just wrapped up screening for the day. We got about 300 cubic yard done up. On Friday, where the video left off, we only did about 50 cube yard, and then the day was over. But if you're wondering about the septic video, what I'm gonna do actually is release it purely on Instagram. So I have a bunch of footage. I didn't get back personally to finish it, so Corey videoed a bunch of stuff. We got it all done. It got wrapped up, but I'm gonna release that on Instagram, so go over there if you guys want to see that. I just want to know your guys' opinion on like what you guys want to see about it or information. So if you have any questions or anything like that about the topsoil operation, I want you guys to leave comments down below about all that. Obviously, as you can tell, we're gearing up for another crazy week next week. So I want you guys to follow along for the ride. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I don't really have anything much else to say other than we'll just catch you guys on the next one. So we're gonna end it off here. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, thanks.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel, guys that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you happen to be one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, topsoil 2020. Why topsoil 2020? Well, this year we're going into the topsoil season of 2020, and it's gonna be the best year for topsoil and aggregates that we've ever had. Hope you guys watched the entire video to the very end. Comment down below, topsoil 2020. I'll be reading all of your comments. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.